Hello. In previous tutorials, I showed you how to set up simulations and view standard outputs within the DesignBuilder interface. In this tutorial, I will introduce another way of running simulations and viewing outputs, including outputs that aren't available in the interface standard results sets. I will introduce the Simulation Manager, which allows you to run and control multiple parallel simulations and access previous result sets. It also allows you to continue working on DesignBuilder models when simulations are running. And the Results Viewer, which allows you to view both standard and non-standard outputs from the thousands available from EnergyPlus. To run simulations using the Simulation Manager, go to
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.